In this video, I'm going to show you how to do counterbore holes. Pretty simple. We're just going to take the information right from the drawing and apply it using, as usual, the hole tool. So we'll click on that and click on our two drill points. And you can see right now it's set up as countersinking. So we're going to make some changes. Extents has to go to all to go all the way through the part with the drilled holes. And you can see the menu changed up. It's also going to change when I click on counterbore for the hole type. That changes this down here. So now we need a counterbore diameter, a counterbore depth. All right. And then we need the drill through hole diameter. So I'm going to change the through hole to 0.257. I'm going to change my counterbore diameter to 0.406. And my counterbore depth is going to be 0.2. All right. You can see how that all updates there. And it's just we haven't changed everything completely yet until we hit OK. Once you hit OK, shut that off. We've got our counterbore holes. Pretty straightforward. Nothing to it. Need to make changes? Double click on the icon down at the bottom and make any changes that you might need. Click OK again. Always save your work. Don't forget that. Very important at the end. Hope this helps you with counterbores.